Good evening, friends. Welcome to Mona's Indices View for 29th September 2021. Today, I know all of you will be eagerly waiting for my report, and I could not post my derivative report yesterday as even at 8:39 in the morning, the data from the NSE was not published. As I had been mentioning in my views since 2 days that 17,950 was acting as a resistance above and a break below 17,800 780 level will fasten the fall of Nifty towards 17,600 levels. Nifty was very volatile today. It made a low of 17,580 before almost recovering 65% of its losses to close at 17,745.50 levels. It has formed a big candle in today's trade with a long lower shadow indicating that the dips were bought into. Now, short-term support for Nifty exists at 17,580 levels, where there was a gap which has unfilled gap which has been filled in today's fall. Any shorting in Nifty should be done only on a decisive close below 17,580 levels. On the higher side, any long positions in Nifty to be carried forward only on a close above 17,950 levels. In between, there is no positional trade in Nifty. Moving on to short-term charts in Nifty, if Nifty trades above 17,780 levels tomorrow, then it can revisit 17,830, 850 on the higher side. If Nifty fails to sustain above 17,780, the support on the lower side exists at 17,650, 17,660 levels. Tomorrow also market will be highly volatile. I advise not to trade in Nifty tomorrow also. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Today, Bank Nifty had a swing of about 1100 points from the high point of the day to the low point of the day before ending the day at about 100 points below its previous close. Bank Nifty also, like Nifty, has formed a solid body candle today with a long lower tail indicating that there was buying at lower levels. 37,700 continues to act as very good support for Bank Nifty, and any break of that level will lead to further fall in Bank Nifty on a closing basis. On the higher side, till 38,400 is taken out on closing basis, there is no positional longs in Bank Nifty. Compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty has a better chart. Moving to short-term chart in Bank Nifty closed the day at 37,945. If Bank Nifty tomorrow trades above 38,100, then it may retest 38,350, 400 on the higher side. If 35,400 is taken out for a say 15-30 minutes in tomorrow's trade, then one can continue with their long positions with a stop below 38,300 levels. On any dips with a stop loss below 37,400, Bank Nifty can be brought for an initial target of 37,900 levels. Please trade with strict stop losses and also with minimal quantity, as the market is very volatile and the VIX is very high. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with the derivative report later tonight. Till then, bye.